if you like the old Dawn more than the new one, at least I am the one. Especially the one Amitabh Bachchan says Dawn. That is really hilarious. And the way he keeps on chewing beetle. It's about Iftikhar, who is a cop who is investigating the case, and Dawn is kind of criminal who's been absconding, and he gets shot by Iftikhar. And now Iftikhar thinks of a plan, chalks out a plan by which he says that he should be replaced, the criminal Dawn should be replaced by the person look-alike whom he had met a couple of years back, and he remembered his face. And so he approached him and trained him and said that you are going to replace him. We will give you enough training by which you will not be, nobody will be able to figure out as if you are the fake one. And the only reason why he agreed was two children who were adopted by him, and Munni and the boy, and he had developed kind of affinity for them, and he wanted them the best of education, and this is the only way by which he could get. So he agreed, and he was replaced by this fellow, Amitabh Bachchan, and he enacted quite well. Nobody were able to figure out, not even McMohan, others were also the Narang and other inmates, and even the girlfriend, but girlfriend later on suspected because he had kind of he had developed affinity for Zinat Aman, who had also joined the gang because her brother was killed by Dawn, criminal Dawn. So she had that revengeful attitude, and they both got along well, and she was faking her interest in him, but he had developed feelings for Zinat Aman. So the girlfriend suspected, and she discussed it openly with one of the inmates. But later on, the truth was unraveled that he is the fake one. As usual in most of the movies, skirmishes happen, altercation and ugly fights. But he emerged victorious, and there are a couple of songs which you can watch over and over again. I've got bored of watching the songs. I've watched it so many times, innumerable number of times. That's especially the Mumbai one and the other songs as well. Then that Beetle Nut one. So it's a must watch, very entertaining, and the Dawn is looking excellent. Iftikhar as cop has enacted, everyone has enacted the role well, and the best part is Helen. She is the sister-in-law of Zinat Aman, and they were about to take a vacation when Dawn came and killed both of them. So Helen is looking gorgeous as usual. 5 stars, 6 stars.